You finally hit $80,000 a year. The raise came through. You celebrated. You felt like you'd made it. But here's what nobody tells you. That salary might actually be making you poorer than you were at $65,000. Not a typo, not clickbait. I'm going to show you the exact math, and by the end of this video, you'll never look at a pay raise the same way again. Stay with me, because the number that breaks most people isn't what they earn, it's what they keep. Let's talk about someone we'll call Zain. Zain is 29, smart, ambitious, he just got promoted, $80K a year. He upgraded his apartment, got a nicer car, started going to better restaurants, because that's what you do when you earn more, right? You'll live better. But at the end of every month, Zain has less left over than he did at 65K. He can't figure out why. His bank account barely moves. He feels like he's running on a treadmill that just got faster. Sound familiar? Because Zain is millions of people right now, earning more, keeping less, getting nowhere. And the scary part, the system is designed this way. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the first punch. At 65K, you're in one tax bracket. At 80K, you've crossed into the next. The government takes a bigger slice, not just of the extra money, but it pushes up your effective rate overall. We're talking a difference of $4,000 to $6,000 more in federal taxes alone. Depending on your state, that number climbs even higher. But wait, it gets worse, because taxes are only the beginning. Second punch, benefits cliffs. A lot of employers tie benefit eligibility to salary thresholds. At 80K, you might lose subsidized health insurance, student loan relief options, or housing assistance you qualified for before. That's not hypothetical. That's real money, sometimes worth $3,000 to $8,000 a year, just gone. But here's what really gets people, the thing nobody warns you about. Third punch, lifestyle inflation. This is the silent killer. The moment your salary goes up, your spending adjusts. It's psychological. You feel wealthier, so you spend like it. The average person who gets a 15K raise increases their monthly spending by $900 to $1,200 within 60 days. That's $10,800 to $14,400 a year, nearly wiping out the entire raise. You worked for that raise, but statistically, you spent it before you even got it. The 80K trap isn't about greed, it's about math most people were never taught. So here's the moment. You've got two versions of yourself. Version A takes the raise, changes nothing about how they think, and 5 years later wonders why they're still living paycheck to paycheck at a good salary. Version B takes the raise, pauses, runs the numbers, and makes 3 specific moves before they change a single lifestyle habit. Version B ends up with $47,000 more in net worth over 5 years. Same salary, different decisions. The difference isn't income, it's what you do in the first 30 days after a raise. Here's exactly what that looks like. Move 1. Run your real take-home number first. Before you touch a single dollar of that raise, calculate exactly what hits your account after taxes and benefit changes. Use a take-home pay calculator, don't guess. Most people are shocked. The raise of 15K often becomes $8,400 in hand. Know that number before you plan anything. Move 2. Automate the raise before you feel it. The moment your new paycheck hits, set up an automatic transfer of at least 50% of the net raise increase into a high-yield savings account or index fund. You never see it, you never miss it. Over 5 years, at 5% APY, that's a passive wealth engine running in the background. Most people do it backwards. They spend first, save what's left. The wealthy automate savings first, spend what's left. Move 3. Audit your benefits cliff. Before accepting any raise or new salary, ask HR one specific question. Is this new salary affect any of my current benefits eligibility? Most people never ask.
The answer can change everything. Sometimes it's worth negotiating a slightly lower salary or structuring compensation differently to preserve benefits worth thousands. That one question has saved people more than the raise itself was worth. So let's recap. The 80K trap is real, and it catches people because it looks like success from the outside. Higher taxes, lost benefits, lifestyle inflation. 3 invisible forces that can make you worse off despite earning more. But now you have the 3 moves. Run your real take-home number, automate the raise before you feel it, and audit your benefits cliff before you sign anything. Next video, we're going deeper. If you think the 80K trap is bad, wait until you see what happens at 120K. There's a tax strategy the wealthy use at that income level that most accountants won't tell you about. It's called income stacking, and it's completely legal. Hit subscribe because that video drops this week and you don't want to miss it.